Today we are going to see the installation of Symantec Endpoint Protection. Alright. Okay. First we have to add the server roles, Internet Information Service. It is the basic ingredient for Symantec Endpoint to load the console. Alright, so let's go ahead and install Internet Information Service. We are going to choose ASP.NET, ASP Common Gateway Interface, IS, and let's install it. I'm just going to pause the screen till the installation completes. Okay, the installation is completed, and let's go ahead and click on close. Okay, I'm going to copy the endpoint manager let's go ahead and install Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. Let's install the C drive and this is quite important. We have to note that Symantec Endpoint uses the IIS web server, and it is always recommended that we do not install on the default website. We have to create a custom port, and 3014 is given by Symantec itself. So let's go with that. Install. I'm going to pause the screen. Okay, let's go for the management server configuration wizard. Let's go for advanced. Okay, depends upon the number of clients you have in the network. I'm going to go with the first option. Okay, this is the first endpoint manager, so this is the first site. We're going to have multiple managers. You can go for either the second or the third option, and this is the name of the server, and this is the port number 8443 is used for communication, and 1990 is for users for web console. I'm just gonna go and click on next, and this is the site name. If you want, you can change it, or you can just leave it as default. And this is the encryption password. If you're going to recover the database in case of disaster, we have to use this password. So please make sure that you make a note of it. And I'm gonna go for embedded database. It's gonna be SQL. We have to log into the SQL manager, enter the SQL information. So I'm just gonna go with the first option now. And this is the logon information. So also please make a note of this. Right now it is preparing the database. This might take a while. I'm just going to pause the screen. Alright, it's completed, and now it is asking whether you want to deploy the clients. There is the migration required, isn't it? For pushing out the client package. I'm going to just go and say move for this for now. Okay. So it should bring up the management console login. There we go. Okay, it's loading for the first time. Obviously the clients will not be here because we have to push the package to the concerned missions. So as of now, I'm just going to create a group for this particular server. I'm just going to go to admin, install packages. Since it is a veritable mission, I'm going to create a package for this. So I'll just export it, browse it to location. Choose all the features. Though firewall and proactive threat is not recommended on servers, I'm going to point it to the group. It's going to be computer mode, and so it should be a single exe package. And just click on OK. So it is in the process of creating a package. Okay, the package has been created. Okay, I'm gonna go for migration and deployment wizard. Since we already have the package and the group, we can go for the second option. Just point to the path where we have the package, and then click on finish, and choose the just enter the administrator password. In a few seconds we can see the installation of the endpoint protection client. Here we go. Right now it's being installed, so just give it some time.